Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your OUKITEL WP300. So first, we want to check the volume levels in settings. So let's open up the settings app. Here, we want to go over and open up the sound and vibration. Now, here we want to focus on the media volume, so the first one, and the call volume. And what we want to do is we want to increase them. So, as you guys can see, it definitely did work for me. Now my speaker is working, but if yours still isn't, then what you guys want to do is clean the speaker groove. So, as you guys can see, we want to go over and clean it with a soft brush, for an example. Because if we use something metallic, then we can only damage the port. We want to use a soft brush specifically. Now we want to go over and open up connected devices and go to connection preferences, now Bluetooth, and make sure that Bluetooth is disabled. It's very important because the audio can be simply rerouted to your car, for an example, anything else like headphones, speaker, and we do not want it. We want the sound to come from our phone. Now, what we want to do next is restart our phone, because this might just be a minor glitch, and restarting your phone should definitely fix it. So, hold the power button until you see this menu pop up, tap restart, and click OK. Now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now, after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is go over and update your software. So this is very important. We want to go to the settings and scroll all the way down until we see system. Now in the system, we want to go to system updates, and if we see that our system is up to date, then that's great. But if you see something about the update, if you see a button on the bottom where you can download and install the newer version, make sure to do that, because it's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software. So, that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.